Alright, late afternoon is here as we are near the halfway point of the next week of November. November 11th, 2025. CN Hayes here. 1531 coming to you from West Ladysmith again with another video lined up for you. Northbound sand load of the S775, 81 of the 11th is underway now, with the new 3414 deleted for the northbound trip as she sports the distinctive Nathan P3s. And that one was previously built as a CN-9. And that's my next newest one of the 3410 up to the 34s. And rear JPU is also a C6M rebuild, even though that one on the tail will be a GE CX-NE BNS variant. It's doing the honors on the tail. So we're going to check out this 102 by Zero consist, as that will head up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Well, actually Walker Yard in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, maybe. So let's check them out. As we lean back and get them, here we go. Total axle count is 420. The new 3414 led on that power move just shortly after the high noon hour. Brakes are going to apply here any moment here. She gets ready to go up the North Y and up the hill to enter the Superior Sub-Main. Alright, the last of it with the rear GP of the 3356 should be coming up now. She's now ready to prep on climbing up the hill and taking the North Y. Excuse me. And then earning the Superior Sub-Main from there. Here at 3356 now. And it's WSOX804935 to bring up the last of it. How about that? Nice. So that is going to do it for today's S77581 of the 11th on this Veterans Day. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.